Getresponse long description. Getresponse is a feature-rich online marketing solution, fully scalable and capable of handling both small and very large lists, 1 million plus subscribers. For over 10 years, it has provided easy-to-use, self-service applications and expert support for creating and managing email marketing campaigns, newsletters, and autoresponders that convert contacts into customers. Through responsible and fully automated list hygiene, anti-spam practices, and established relationships with major internet and email service providers, Getresponse has maintained the highest possible deliverability standards for over a decade, ensuring that our customers' messages deliver the highest possible return on their email marketing investment. Getresponse features 300+ industry templates. Looks matter. Choose from over 300 industry HTML templates to create eye-popping campaigns for every audience and industry. Use the intuitive editor to customize your email communications with cool graphics, fonts, and formatting, then brand with your company logo and colors. A/B testing. To ensure you get the best results from your email campaign, test it first. Create up to 5 messages, with different personalization techniques, subjects, and styles. Getresponse will test each version for you, then automatically select and send the best. It takes only minutes and can save you cash and lost customers. Email analytics. Make sure every campaign is better than the last. Let Getresponse track every open, click, unsubscribe, and purchase. See the big picture with visual graphs, and get customized reports in your inbox daily. Guaranteed deliverability. Getresponse applies over 10 years of expert human and automated system monitoring so your email marketing messages end up in prospect inboxes, not their junk folders. From the automated list hygiene, to the established ISP relationships and feedback loops, Getresponse ensures that your campaigns, and your brand, are always protected and compliant. Social media integration. Millions of potential customers are getting their product buzz from social networks and you need to be there. Getresponse puts you in the middle of this non-stop conversation with point-and-click integration. Let Facebook and Twitter deliver instant links to your latest campaigns, coupons, and blogs today. Online surveys. With Getresponse surveys, research won't cost you a dime extra. Ask as many questions as often as you want and get the data you need to improve products, target campaigns, and stay ahead of the competition. It's a snap to use, just point and click to design, then publish, and watch the results roll in. Getresponse mobile apps. Keep your finger on the pulse of your campaigns. Getresponse apps for iPhone and Android give you instant access to your dashboard and key stats, so you can react anywhere, anytime. Add subscribers manually or import from your address book and you'll never miss an opportunity to grow your list in your business. Coaching and support. Getresponse expert staff is on hand 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help you maximize your email marketing and your profits. Whether you're a team of 1 or 20, we'll work with you every step of the way so you market smarter and faster without adding staff. Get in touch via phone, email, or live chat. It's friendly and it's free. Getresponse Enterprise. Getresponse Enterprise is a fully standalone system, engineered to provide high-volume sending, superb reliability, and expert support at an affordable price. Your enterprise-level service is hosted on a separate, high-end server with 2 dedicated IPs and is capable of sending up to 1 million messages in a 24-hour period. The system is managed automatically based on our advanced send and delivery, Getresponse analytics, and monitored by a team of enterprise delivery experts.